All right, so here we have a dripping shower head, the handicap shower. So either the cartridge has a lot of trash or is damaged or something. Most likely it's just debris. We'll turn the water off, swap it out. That's a Moen. And here, there's a part for it. Generally, this is what it's gonna take. More on the newer type. 1222. Turn this off. And also our tankless, we're gonna turn it off as well. This here is an Allen wrench. The size is 3/32. You want to be careful with the set screw whenever you remove it, because you can easily lose it in the drain. Just remember, everything's lefty loosey, righty tighty. That's the #1 rule in plumbing. There's a little slot underneath. I use that to prop it out. This here, you remove the retaining clip. You want to be careful with it. If you lose it in the wall, you won't be able to turn your water back on. You always want to lubricate your new cartridge, and that's a tool that comes with. It helps you remove old cartridges. And the way that you put these in, you should be able to read the H and the C up top, hot and cold. Hot's always on the left, cold's on the right, and just like that. Here, I didn't turn on any faucets to relieve pressure, and that's how much water came out. That slot should be facing down, and when it's down, that's the off position. Just like that. Go back, repressurize the house. I always turn it on slowly. That tankless there, I turned it off. You don't want any air in the lines. So I purge everything out and then turn it back on. This is the key. This is the most important thing, is having the correct tool, correct size. So you got the set screw on the bottom. Just screw it. Want to be very careful with this here. If you lose this, you're in trouble. Alright, so it comes with a lubricant. It comes with lubricant, and this is a tool. This is a tool, you want to save this. It's going to come in handy one day if you do repair jobs. So what I'm going to do is just tear this. I'm just going to tear this, lubricate it, get it ready. So, state all the components. The way that it goes in, you have hot and cold, and you should be able to read it that way. And that's exactly how it goes in. The way to know that it's in the opposition, you got this. You can see you got a little slot right there. So that slot should be down, because right now it's in opposition. So you just turn it 180 degrees. Now we're going to turn the water back on. Before removing cartridge, you turn off faucets, that way you get that much water coming out. Okay. Before you turn on the water heater, you want to get all the air out of the lines. So there's no more dripping there. Alright, so I took this apart. I don't really see anything wrong with it. I don't see any trash. You know? So, it might have been a defective part. Who knows? I could have tried to put this back, but we got a new one, so I'll just put it on. Okay, so obviously this plate is gonna go with this notch up top. That's where your little clip goes through, and that's the only way that the holes are gonna line up. The way I do it, I'll feed that through, both of these, and without putting the little cover here. First, you try to get the bottom one. And you can just look through the hole, get the second one in place, push it back, and then try to turn one before you turn the other. So that's good. That one caught. And this one here, not quite. There it is. I was able to feel for it, but you can always just move it out the way. And try it again. Alright, so you don't want to over tighten these, especially with a drill. So first you want to put your cover back. That goes first. And this here, just the same way. If you don't line it up right, your handle is gonna not be able to turn the water off, and it's gonna look like it's dripping and stuff. So I hold this back. I kind of turn it the other way. Try to avoid that, but I got some water. Oh well. Just make sure it has no play. If it has play, you're gonna have to come back. So what I do is I set it in place, make sure it doesn't fall. Gotta be careful. Just like that. Okay, so that should do it. We just caulk it. Come back, light the water heater. That's it. We got all the air out of the lines, and it shouldn't be an issue to the tankless.